Mark Zuckerberg is, some people say he invented Facebook, some people say he stole the idea from somebody else, doesn't matter, but he is in charge. He is in charge. He made more than $50 billion on stock exchange thanks to that. What was the chord which he touched, very raw nerve in our daily existence, which he found, which proved to be gold mine. He found out, or he felt, intuited, I don't know how it happened, I am not a biographer, but somehow he came across the fact that people, most of all in contemporary hurly-burly world, are afraid of being abandoned, being alone, being left alone, losing touch with life around. That is the most important fear which torments many of people, even if they don't spell it out in so many words. Nevertheless, they have nightmares. I am alone, I am kicked out, and that's a terrible feeling.
Hay muchas personas que tienen multitud de amigos en Facebook o cantidad de seguidores en Twitter. Para usted eso no es una auténtica relación de amistad.
Well, Twitter is something more than a relationship between one person and another. Twitter is something else. Twitter satisfied another human longing, not human longing of just contact. Twitter satisfies human longing to be in the public sphere, to be active in the public sphere. You can send with one pressure of one finger, you can send 500 or 1,000 messages. They are all universally available. You are already acting on the public stage. Before that, it was very difficult. You had to ingratiate yourself in the eyes of big company, like television, for example. They invite you to this room, and they put camera and microphones, and then you get access to the public sphere. One French journalist joked that if Descartes was still alive, he would reform his cogito. Instead of saying, I think, therefore I exist, he would say, I am seen on TV, therefore I exist. That's the new formulation of cogito. Now you don't need the permission of television. You don't need permission of the editorial board of a glossy magazine. You don't need any big company to allow you access to public sphere. You can do it on your own, thanks to Twitter. Twitter is the poor man's substitute for being excluded from the public stage.